What's up, guys? Welcome back to Everyday Money. I made a video, I don't know, a couple months ago, maybe a few weeks ago, and time right now just kind of sort of just all blends together. But it was on how a hard credit inquiry affected my credit score, and I had shown where it had went down. Obviously, anytime you use your credit, it goes down. But I just got an email last night from Credit Karma. It said, check your new score. So I went in and checked it, and it has changed pretty dramatically. And I wanted to do a follow-up video on the effects, a couple months down the road of a hard inquiry on your credit score. So if you're interested in that, follow along, but be sure to subscribe for me, smash the like button, and we'll get into the computer here. Okay, now as you guys saw on the last video, or if you didn't see it, I'll just tell you, we had done a home refinance with these ultra low rates and somewhere mid-September-ish or whatever. But when we started this, my credit score, according to Credit Karma, was 806 on September 1st. When they actually pulled my credit reports, it was 822 directly from the credit agencies. And the difference being with this is that Credit Karma does not actually pull directly from the credit agencies. They use their own proprietary formula in here, which I'll show you where it says where that is in just a moment. After that, it went down to about 795-ish, right at the 790s, and that's kind of where we'll get into this new section here. So as you can see, looking at the screen, which I'll have on the, right at the on the video, we were down to 796 mid-October, mid-November 795. Now, right here on December 8th, we are back up to 805 for my credit score, and that's TransUnion right there. Equifax 805 as well. So it did take about 3 months for my credit score to go from 805-ish back to 805. And this, when I was saying that they don't pull it directly from the credit agencies, they use this Vanguard 3.0 score right here, and each one calculates your score a little bit differently, but they all use the same information. They'll all get you within the ballpark. So if we were 16 points off before, I'd say we're probably about 16 points off as well right now. And, so I'm sitting at about an 821 credit score. And if you didn't catch the other video, I went over this stuff too. I don't think that there's much different in this, in these factors, the payment history, the credit card usage, derogatory marks, credit age, or anything like that. Hard inquiry still shows 3, but then again, 3 months later, the credit score's about exactly the same as it was before. So I think the takeaway here is that if you pay your bills regularly, if you keep your debt to income ratio low, you don't take a ton of hard inquiries, that 1 or 2 is not going to hurt you very long at all. If you have a great credit score, you take a hard inquiry, you're going to have a great credit score when you're done. So don't be afraid to use the awesome credit score that you have accumulated in order to get either the things that you want or to get the interest rates that you deserve for working that hard on your credit. And then for those of you that don't have such stellar credit, it just goes to show that if you don't use your credit and you make your payments and you reduce your debt to income, that your credit score can improve dramatically in a very short period of time. If you guys like this video, if it helped you out, be sure to subscribe to this channel to grow your wealth, increase your success, put you on the road to financial freedom. Also, be sure to smash that like button for me. I really would appreciate it. It helps this video, it helps this channel. It also helps you get other videos like this, not necessarily from me, but from any other channel that does personal finance. I appreciate you guys watching, and I'll see you next time.